Hello students, let's discuss Poem-2, an elementary school classroom in a slum. Written by Stephen Spender. First stanza and second stanza have already been discussed. Now we will discuss third stanza of the poem. This stanza, first two lines: surely Shakespeare is wicked, the map a bad example, with ships and sun and love tempting them to steal. Here in this stanza, the poet's mood becomes aggressive. His pathetic tone becomes angry. In second stanza and in first stanza, the poet's tone was pathetic. He has described miserable condition and pathetic living status, living existence of the children. But here the poet becomes aggressive. Shakespeare is wicked. Now the poet says Shakespeare, who is the symbol of art and literature, is wicked for them because his literary achievements, his knowledge doesn't hold any value for the slum children. The map a bad example, and the map which is displayed on the walls also presents a bad example, as the views offered in the word map has a mismatch to their existence, to the existence of slum children who live in cramped narrow holes. With ships and sun and love tempting them to steal. The things, ships, sun, love, which was portrayed on the map, have no significance to them. Just they tempt them to steal. In other words, all these word bounties only lead them to the path of crimes. Now next, four lives that slyly turn in their cramped holes from fog to endless night. Here slyly means cleverly or silently. Cramped means narrow. Holes means their homes, their cells. These children's life has been silently turned to cramped narrow holes where they struggle for their existence and spend their life in dark and hopelessness. From fog to endless night, their life is full of misery, suffering. They spend endless nights there. Their days are as dull as the nights. From cradle to grave, since morning till night, there is no hope and brightness in their life. So, map is a bad example because the outer map stands to explore, but their life is devoid of any hopes. Now, next is on their slag heap. These children wear skin peeped through by bones and spectacles of steel. What is slag heap here? Slag heap is metallic waste, refuse of metals by industries, and the piles of heap are laying in the slum area. These children play over sitting on this heap and wear skins peeped through by bones wear skins peeped. What they wear? They are naked, without clothes. So what the poet says, they wear only skins. These children are compelled to live a poor and miserable life. They look like skeletons. Skins peeped through bones means their bones literally peeping out of their skin. Being malnourished, these children look more like skeletons. Spectacles of steel. On the garbage of the heap, they got spectacles, steel spectacles discarded by rich people, and that spectacles are with mended glass. The glasses have been mended. These spectacles are made of steel, and their mended glasses seem like bottle bits on stones. They are as shattered, as broken as the bottle becomes shattered on the stones. Likewise, their hopes, aspirations, and dreams also lie shattered and neglected. All of their time and space are foggy slum, so blot their maps. All of their time and space are foggy slum, so blot their maps with slums as big as doom. Here the poet says that their world is comprised of foggy slums where they spend the entire lifetime. Their time and space means their whole lifetime is foggy, is dull, dark and bleak, without any hope. So, what the poet suggests? The poet suggests that blot their maps. The maps which shows the outer world, which show the bounties of the world, blot it with slums. Blot it with slums as big as doom. The foggy, filthy slums are as big as doom. Doom means death. Just like death consumes and stalks everyone, anytime and anywhere, the slums are also so massive that one day they would also stalk the whole world. In this way, the whole maps would be blotted. Here now, poetic device. Let's discuss poetic device. First poetic device here, like bottle bits on stones. Like bottle bits on stones. As like word is used here, simile. Glasses are shattered, so shattered glasses of spectacles are compared to the shattered hopes and dreams of slum children. Second figure of speech is as big as doom. Here also simile. Slum is compared to doom because life here is worse than death. Okay, thank you.